Hi, Namaste and Salam Alaikum and Sat Sri Akal. My name is Dev Shrestha and I am the owner of Namaste Nanglo Groceries, and this is in 741 East, 3300 South, Mill Creek, Utah. And I got $150,000 from EIDL loan and $10,000 grant from the efforts of UMCL. And I'm using that money to grow my business, and I want to import our product, Namaste Nanglo product, from India. Thank you for UMCL and SBA loan, and especially about this loan. I was unaware about that, and one day I got one email from city office or council or city county about the email said, if there's something you need help and county can help. And I was surprised. I never get that kind of email. And after a couple weeks, I see Mr. Ali belonging to the UMCL, and we talk about the loan, we talk about the grant, and he helped me. Almost 3 hours I spent with Ali, and we both together apply for the grant and apply for the EIDL loan. And finally, after 2 weeks, it was successful and granted, and $150,000 was in my bank. I was very surprised, and I was very thankful to the UMCL, the efforts of this money with the grants. My business, I want to tell to my customer and other business that my story is a small business and focusing to the South Asian, and we carry from India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. And this business is located at 741 East, 3300 South, Mill Creek, Utah, and zip code is 84106. Very beginning on March 24th, I had COVID, but there was no symptom, but it was COVID, and I have a little bit headache, and I went to the hospital, and they diagnosed I'm exposed of the COVID-19, and I went to my basement to the separate, everything separate, and after couple days, like all the May I did not have any happen, but April 6, like after 10 days, 11 days, I was unconscious early morning, and ambulance came, and they brought to me not LDS hospital, in 5300 South there is IHC hospital. I was admitted, but I have no any sense. I don't know what they did. But after 3 or 4 days, I opened my eye and I was surprised. Oh, I'm in the hospital. And the hospital and doctor, nurses, everybody was helping me very good. And 11th of April, I discharged with instruction, and I got with pneumonia too, and they gave me a 45 days injection in my nerve direct to the heart, and sometime it was side effect, but finally everything is okay. And that time my store was totally closed. Then after I decided to hire one guy, finally I got that guy, and he came, and we talked about his salary, everything, and There was everything was inside very dirty. He did clean very good, and I also one cleaning company hired, and they disinfected my store for 2 or 3 days. Then after we start, but I was at home, and when I was not there, it's definitely my sale is decrease, and we don't have, if we don't have any good money to pay, but I got some money from city. I got some money from governor office and SBA loan. There was like a 2 month or 3 month we did not pay SBA loan grant. So I want to give thank to the SBA, and again EIDL loan, and especially 10,000 grant from especially efforts of UMCL. That's why I need to thanks to them. We appreciate UMCL to help us and providing us the ULDL loan and grants, the efforts of your support. And I also use that money to growing my business. Especially we have Namaste Nanglo brand of spices, a lot of things, spices, lentils, and there's a lot of things I want to the direct import from India for that, and that money definitely helped me. And also I thank you everybody, SBA loan, UIDL, and my county office too.